It is because of work, because of age, or because I have grown more measured. In this phase of overthinking, as life reaches a certain stage, the things I should do, the things I must do are lined up perfectly, one after another. Because every moment it's spent racing toward growth. Don't even mention friends, even giving time to parents has become difficult alone. Not even a single minute can be spared, with a mind and brain constantly full of questions and answers. This is the kind of work that demands the heart, the mind, and the whole person. Whether someone understands me or not, when it comes to building a life of growth, giving time to friends and loved ones has become 80% more difficult. Even though work is busy, the one thing that quietly, slowly keeps pushing me forward on the path of growth is books and literature. I truly mean that. Living abroad, racing against time every single day, the only companion that stays close to me like a dear friend is a book. Day after day, shaping work schedules, changing hours, sleep, rest, coming and going, all irregular. Yet, I'm still here, mindfully guarding my heart and my mind. When a change begins, it usually feels uncomfortable at first. But if you keep nurturing it again and again, I believe that through the change, growth will become clearly visible. When I think carefully and deeply why I can still walk, stay run, stay come, stay go, I will come, I will run. That's the reason.